Meet Messi, a yellow lab who is a definition of a real friend, not only for his Thai owner Oranit Krittengal, but for one lonely doggy named Audi too. Audi lives on the other side of the street from Messi. As the dog's owner is gone to work for long hours every day, the pooch gets lonely and anxious. That's when Messi steps in. When Audi feels lonely and cries, I always ask my dog to see and talk to him. Recently, the husky escaped just so he could come and hug Messi, thanking him for his friendship. Their owners are making arrangements so that the two can spend more time together. What a good boy Messi is to teach us a lesson or two about the importance of being there for someone. This is Nikki Delgado for Noligrio.com.